Hello, my name is Julian Andres Henao Bustamante, the group 30, the English 4 activity. The question: what do you do on New Year's Days? Enjoying family share with my loved ones, dancing and dining with family, and meeting with friends. To question: how do you prepare for New Year's? The preparation is really about raising money to go the year so you can buy new clothes and play off some debts. Do you have any family tradition? Ensembling and arrange the Christmas tree, the mangers, man custard, head porking rate, and most importantly, as for good New Year. When do you open presents? Yes, when December 24th, the birth of the child gods in celebrates. What is your favorite holy food? My favorite holy food was bean, chicharrón, and buñuelos. Thank you. Bye bye.